Am I the only one that didn't know you could fix most network issues with a simple restart? First, restart your phone. It might sound basic, but it often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your network coverage. Make sure you're in an area with good signal strength, whether it's cellular or Wi-Fi. If that doesn't help, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This can reset your network connections. Also, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Reseating it can sometimes work wonders. Don't forget to check for software updates. Updates often include bug fixes and network optimizations. Still having issues? Forget and rejoin your Wi-Fi network. For more serious problems, reset network settings to their defaults. Remember, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. If all else fails, contact your carrier for assistance or consider a factory reset. Just back up your data first. And if you're still stuck, seek professional help. Keep your Poco X7 updated and avoid areas with poor signal to keep it running smoothly.